Hey guys, what's happening? Had to fork a Repl on Replit. So it's not called fork anymore, right? Or template. You can see on the left-hand menu, developer frameworks. That's now the new name of forking, or that's the new way of forking a Repl. So I'm gonna go ahead to developer frameworks, right? And choose, right here. Let's say, for example, I want to choose node.js, right? And instead of remix, you're gonna actually fork, right? So it used to be called forking, right? When you go and use like node.js or any other plugins, so to speak. But now they call it remix, right? They don't even call it a template anymore. With the new update, they keep changing the names, and I expect that they will change the name in the future. So what you're gonna do, just hit remix, and now you're gonna use the framework or forking in this case. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.